What's going on, YouTube? It's a lovely day. I'm having a lovely day. I hope you're having a lovely day. If you're not having a lovely day, hopefully I can bring your spirits up. If not, well, I'm sorry, I couldn't. But today's topic, this topic, before the topic I already was talking about, this topic's gonna be towards, this one's gonna be towards drivers. Drivers out there, pay attention for us motorcyclists trying to drive and enjoy the road just like you are. In your metal cage that's protecting you. We don't have a metal cage protecting us. So just always give it that extra take. Stay off your fucking phone. Stop texting. Stop calling. Just pay attention to the road. Save a biker's life. Always look a couple times. I can't say it enough. Look several times. Just when you think there's nobody coming, just take that extra precaution. Give it an extra take. You never know. Someone may come zipping around that corner on their motorcycle and you weren't expecting it. Next thing you know, boom, they're dead. Not dead, they're laying on the ground fighting for their life. But you just gotta pay attention. A lot of these cars, obviously cars manufacturers know how people drive these days because they're putting in all sorts of safety freaking features to protect people, like automatic lane departure, automatic braking, sensors letting you know somebody's there. So they know, obviously, people are stupid drivers because they're putting sensors in their cars so they can protect people's lives. So what's that tell you about everybody driving? Granted, yes, not everybody's a good driver. But then again, granted, there's some people out there that probably shouldn't be driving because they suck so bad. Pardon me. But yeah, there's some people out there. For my work, I drive around a lot. Sorry if there's some wind. I'm just trying to get some air in my helmet. Air and bugs. I love bugs. Not really. But yeah, I drive a lot for my for work, and I just see all sorts of stupid people. It's just like, golly, how did you get your license? I think some people shouldn't even be driving. It's ridiculous. But yeah, just people that drive cars, everybody, just pretty much everybody. You always got to take a double look. Look again. Just when you think it's good, just give it that one little glance. And even if you're pulling out, always kind of give another look. Don't just pull out and say, yep, it's good, let's go. Because you never know. You got to give us bikers a chance. See if we can not get hit here. When I ride my bike, I'm always cautious. I'm always looking around. Got a cramp. Oh God, I got a cramp in my leg, folks. And it is not pleasant. Oh God. It's okay. It's going away. It's going away. Kinda. Oh, there we go. That's better. So, yes, as I was saying before my cramp, you just gotta... I'm always looking around. I'm always looking down driveways, side roads, just kind of glancing, see if somebody's there. Just trying to make sure they see me. But granted, yeah, can't always see everything. But at least if you're looking, you're preventing. Always pay attention. Stay a safe distance away from bikers. Give them space in case something happens or they fall randomly. You at least got that gap to stop. somewhat stop or avoid them. If you're right up their ass and they fall, guess what? You're running them over. Harley. It's white. That's a nice bike. But we'll end that there. It's just a little vlog. Here's a little towards the drivers. Pay attention for us bikers. The road's plenty big enough for everybody. We can all share it. Granted that everybody pays attention for everybody. Granted, yes, I may be a good driver, but like when I go out, my parents say be safe. Yeah, I'm a safe driver, but I can't say that for everybody else. That's why I like to go out later at night, or later in the evening, I guess you'd call it, when traffic's not so bad. There's still some traffic, but it's not like during the day. Like today, traffic was awful. The bikers, there are bikers everywhere, cars everywhere. I was just always looking around, making sure no one was coming. But so we'll end that here. To the next vlog, people. Have a lovely day.